In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Excel without the Developer tab. If you've ever wanted to create a checklist in Excel but didn't want to enable the Developer tab, there's good news. You can still create checkbox-like functionality using a few simple alternatives. Depending on what you need, you can either insert checkbox symbols for a quick visual solution or create a selectable drop-down that behaves a lot like a checkbox. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want your checkbox or checklist to appear. Once you're there, keep in mind that these methods are great when you want something clean, simple, and easy to use without working with form controls. The first option is the quickest one, and that's inserting a checkbox symbol. Start by selecting the cell where you want the checkbox to appear. Then go to the Insert tab and choose Symbol. This opens the symbol library where you can add special characters directly into your worksheet. In the symbol window, choose a font such as Wingdings or Wingdings 2. These fonts contain checkbox-style characters that work well in Excel. From there, insert either a checked box or an unchecked box, depending on what you want to display. This method is perfect if you just need a visual checkbox and don't need users to interact with it in a dynamic way. It's fast, simple, and ideal for templates, printed lists, or static trackers. If you want something a little more interactive, the second method is to create a clickable checkbox effect using a drop-down list. Select the cell where you want the checkbox behavior. Then go to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. This is where you can control what users are allowed to enter into a cell. In the Data Validation settings, choose List as the validation type. In the Source field, enter an unchecked box symbol, followed by a checked box symbol, separated by a comma. Then click OK. Now when someone clicks that cell, they'll be able to choose between the unchecked and checked box options from a drop-down list. This method is especially useful for task trackers, status columns, or shared spreadsheets where you want a simple way for users to mark items complete. If needed, you can copy that cell down a column to create an entire checklist quickly. And that's it. By using symbols or data validation, you can add checkbox-style functionality in Excel without ever using the Developer tab.